Hey everyone, in this video, I'll give you a no-fluff honest review of FAL.AI and see if it's really worth your time or just another overhyped tool. So let's dive right in. So let's first start by knowing what is FAL.AI. So FAL.AI is an AI-powered platform designed to help developers and creators build and deploy generative models like text-to-image, text-to-video, and more, quickly using APIs. So it's kind of like a middle ground between OpenAI and Hugging Face, but looser or focused on generative content. So its key features is that it's pre-trained models, so you can use it instantly, and custom endpoint deployment in just a few clicks, fast image and video generation, SDKs for Python and JavaScript, and pay-as-you-go API pricing. So it's all designed to make it easier for developers to integrate AI without managing heavy infrastructure. So for its pros, so here's what I like about the FAL.AI. First is it is super fast. It has super fast deployment, so no server headaches. It is also great for prototyping generative apps, easy to switch between models like Stable Diffusion, SDXL, and more. And also, it is developer-first design, clean docs, and SDKs that just work. Now for the cons is it's all nice, but it's not all perfect. So first is the UI can feel a bit clunky at times, and also some models have limits unless you pay. And scaling for production applications might need more optimization. So while the pricing is reasonable for testing, it adds up fast if you're running lots of generations. Now for the real question, is it worth it for developers? So, if you're a developer building AI-powered tools or media applications, it's a solid choice for prototyping and experimentation. But if you're running heavy production workflows, you might want to look at more customizable backends. So overall, it's a great for speed and simplicity, and that's pretty much it. That I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!